Hi my friends, it's Raquel with Kimberly's Kennels, and in today's video I have an extra special puppy for you all to meet. This is Valentine, and he is one of our standard F1 Englishdoodle puppies from Grace and Olaf's litter, meaning Valentine is about 50% standard poodle and 50% English cream retriever. Valentine is considered allergy friendly and low to non-shedding. He has that signature soft wavy coat in the most gorgeous dark caramel color. Valentine is going to be a large boy, at least 65 pounds, but he does have some pretty big paws and an athletic to blocky build. Valentine would be one of my top options if your family is searching for a therapy dog, a service dog, or simply prioritizing the temperament of your next puppy. He's well socialized around children and other dogs alike. Oh, he just dropped his toy. You can see that Valentine just melts into my lap. He scores high in intelligence and is eager to learn. Overall, he's a super well-balanced puppy. He's not over-the-top rambunctious. He still enjoys playing. He's been loving this warm weather and soaking up all the sun he can. Valentine really stands out to me. He holds a special place in my heart. Next, we're going to include some playing videos of Valentine, but if your family would like to schedule a visit or a FaceTime call to meet him, definitely be sure to send us an email, and I'd love to hear from you guys.